Hello friends! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. So, ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Pennsylvania. It's a 4-hour drive from our home sa Long Island, New York. Today's Saturday, kaya pupunta kami ngayon sa Longwood Gardens dito sa PA. So, shout out sa mga mahilig sa mga halaman dyan, sa mga plantita, mahilig mag-garden. So, pupunta tayo dito ngayon. It's a very big place dito. Ang pangalan niya, it's Longwood Gardens. So, yeah. So, samahan nyo kami, friends! Ay, ang ganda, oh. Babe, teka lang. Pakita ko lang to. Ang ganda ng ano. This is the name, Longwood Gardens. So, papunta na tayo ngayon sa spring. Ang ganda nung ano. Oh, here. Ano pangalan nito? Monkey Puzzle Tree. Ganda. Pero grabe yung tinik. Tinik. Garden hours. So, before ka dito pumunta, kailangan may ticket ka. So, we already bought it online yesterday.
I just feel like it's like
It's the garden shop.
Eliza got very concerned.
Ang ganda ng hydrangea nila.
We teach together.
This is their shop. Grabe yung orchids nila. Oh my gosh, this is so unique. Grabe. Kano to? Ano yung price niya? Ay, ang ganda-ganda. Ibang orchids. Ibang klaseng orchids to. Hindi mo, you cannot find this sa mga ano lang, Home Depot or regular ano garden na or sa mga stores. Parang special siya, my goodness. Ay, grabe yung price. It's $94. $100 for this. Parang isang ano lang, no? Isang bulaklak lang yung mabibigay niya. This is so nice. Look at this, Daddy, oh. Ay, shout out sa mga mahilig dyan sa mga bulaklak. Diyos ko. Babe, tingnan mo naman. Come. Look at this. It's so huge. Ang laki-laki niya, friends, oh. Okay, this is so nice. Tingnan mo naman to. Which is this? $86 ito. Oh, it's jewelry. Ganda ng cactus nila. This is live cactus. It's 56. Kung mahilig ka sa mga cactus. Ito meron din. $22. Nakakaaliw. My goodness, nakakaaliw talaga mga friends. Mahilig kasi ako sa mga ganito plantita ko So, eto 42. Ang cute-cute pang center table. May mga ganito. Oh my gosh. 89. Here. It's a real live plant. Oh, here, look.
Yeah. Wow, that looks so awesome. That looks so nice.
And they also have this, mga seeds. May mga seeds sila. Tingnan natin kung magkano to. $5. Mga moss. Ang bango. Grabe. Smells so good. Ang bango. Ito, 28. Ganito. Bango. Ano pa yung mabango na yan? Hindi naman. Grabe, oh. Mapabulaklak nila yung ganitong kaliit na rose. Tag $10. Ito, oh. Cute-cute maliit. Ito yung kung fan ka ng mga mga cactus. Magkano kaya to? Tingnan natin kung magkano ganito. Para may idea lang tayo. Oh, 5 each. $5 each. Ito naman medyo malaki, 16. May mga bonsai din sila. 36. Ito bonsai. Ito 168. Kung mas malaki. Mahal na pag malaki na umahal. 238. Napapasmile talaga ako, friends. Ang ganda din ng mga pots nila, oh. Look at their pots. It's 96. Pwede mo siyang ma-drain. Ay, ang ganda. Magkano to? $46 ito. 28 yung maliit. Ito, oh, ganda, oh. Ang cute. Marami pa tayong makikita sa loob, friends. Dito, ano lang, parang walang entrance to. Kanilang store. Sa loob, pag pumasok ka na, kailangan may ticket ka. Sarap ng ano ng tubig, yung sound. Sarap ng sound ng tubig. Ito siguro yung hindi naman mabango. Wala naman akong naaamoy. Ah, ayan pala yung mabango. Yung naaamoy ko. Ito $8. Ito naman yung mga ferns. Kano kaya yung ferns? $10. Sa Pilipinas nasa gilid-gilid lang to dito $10 ganito. Ang ganda, excited na kami pumasok. Yeah, tingnan nyo naman, heart leaf $10. Yeah. Pag lumaki to, magiging ganyan na. Nak, if this one's gonna get big, it's gonna be like that.
I think that's like what I had at.
I know, it's bonsai. May mga bird feeder. Look, nako. Cute naman ito. Look at this bird feeder. Look, look, look. Grabe oh, grabe yung treat sa ibon. $40. Lahat to pwede nilang makain. They can eat all of this. Yeah, they can just
like if
peck it.
imagine if a bird lives in there and then the bird start eating.
No, the squirrel. The squirrel would love this. The squirrel.
They're gonna eat all that.
Mm-hmm. This is the main garden entrance. Diyan tayo galing sa garden shop. Papasok tayo sa main entrance.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Someone's coming back through.
Oh, ang lamig.
Get away with that.
Ah, may ticket, babe. Ticket pa, babe. Yes. Hangin. Oh, can you imagine, no? They have that one. Like, just like inside my garden. Yeah, meron ako nito sa bahay, sa garden ko, itong arc na to. Tapos, not yet, yeah. Tapos ito yung climbing roses. So, yung sa akin kasi, last year ko lang tinanim. So, maliit pa. Ay, ang ganda nito dito pag pag June. Kasi usually, June yung climbing roses hindi spring. I mean, may lumalabas konti, pero ay, ang ganda nito pag maraming bulaklak. Anong papunta doon, babe? Anong meron doon? Grabe, ang lamig ng hangin.
And the new
Open air theater. Asan, babe? Yung mga indoor. Sige, unahan mo. We're exploring for now, okay? Tinitingnan namin kasi naalala ko, nung last na punta namin dito, maliliit pa yung mga bata. So, talagang toddler pa. Ngayon, mga teens na. Ayun pala yung ano nila. Grabe ang hangin, pero ano siya, malamig kahit may sikat ng araw. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang laki-laki talaga, no? Ay. Maganda to pag ano, friends, pag spring na. Kasi yung spring nila, parang March 28 yata, hanggang April. Sabi ko, gusto kong mag-relax from work. Monday to Friday. So, yung nakakapag-relax lang talaga sa akin, yung mag-long drive. So, nag-iisip kami kung saan kayo magandang puntahan. So, ito, yung Longwoods. Kasi may mga plants naman sila sa indoor eh. So, tingnan natin. Grabe, laki-laki ng puno ito. Oh. Ano ba yan? Mukhang plastic. Totoo ba yan? Ay, may amaryllis.
Growth of the plant itself.
Camellia. Camellia yata. Camellia. Oh, grabing init. Init dito.
That's like what we have already, right?
Greenhouse nila bali. Greenhouse. Pang tropical. Come on, come here. Grabe. Oh my goodness. May tulips na sila. Ang ganda ng tulips. Teka lang. Look at this amaryllis. Amaryllis to eh. Ito tulips. Tulips. Ito naman, daffodils. Mabango to. Usually mabango to. Meron na ako nito sa bahay. Sa garden ko. Daffodils. May mga anthurium. Ay, grabe. Ang amaryllis, oh. Ay, grabe. Ang laki-laki. Ito yung pangalan niya, friends. Tingnan niyo naman kung gaano kaganda yan. Sa isang stalk niya, 3. Tapos ito, double tulip. Ah, grabe. Ano naman ito? Orchid. Tingnan nyo yung bulb niya. Oh. Ang laki-laki ng bulb.
That's long one for you. Hasn't been destroyed yet.
Grabe yung ferns. Nasaan sila? So nice. Kahit ganito lang oh, may idea ka kung paano mo gawin. Ay, grabe, ang ganda-ganda. Ito, tubo-tubo lang to sa Pilipinas, oh. Makaka-overwhelming yung dami ng bulaklak. Uy, may ano sila oh, lilies. Teka lang.
Some people book this part.
There's lilies.
They were headed this well. We're going to the new section.
My day lilies never look like this. Oh, the tiger lily. All these tiger lilies. Well, there's Asian lilies. They're Asiatic. Lilies. Yeah. I like the praying hands or no, my heart.
Ang bango. Bango? Uy, ang ganda ng combination, oh, pag naglalagay ka na. No? Yung mga ganito, tapos ganyan. Meron ako nito sa bahay eh, sa ano, ito. Summer sila lumalabas. Parang family ng cactus. Ito naman parang tropical, more of greens. Tsaka orchids. Anong meron dyan, oh? Ballroom pipe organ. May banana pa, oh. Yeah, pomelo.
Pomelo.
Kabugaw ba sa Ilonggo? Nagbubunga siya kasi mainit sa loob dito. Grabe no, napapabunga sa ganito.
Ito sa likod.
Ay, ang lalaki ng bunga niya. Teka lang. Ang, ang bango-bango dito, friends. Parang, grabe ang bango, babe, no?
Uy, buta ka nung alam.
Ayan, may bunga ulit. Ay, may bamboo pa pala, oh. Basang-basa kami ng pawis, friends. Grabe yung init. Ano siya kasi, greenhouse eh. So, basang-basa kami ng pawis. Lemon bamboo pala to. Asian lemon bamboo. Alam nyo, itong bamboo na to, friends, nasusurvive siya sa winter. Hindi nawawala yung dahon niya kahit winter. Ganun pa rin. Labas na kami, friends. Punta na naman kami sa ibang ibang part ng garden. Oh. Thank you. Kain tayo, friends. Ginutom kami.
Going into the forest. European.
This is their birdhouse tree house. Tingnan natin kung anong sa itaas.
Never! Will you retire? What?
Let's check what's upstairs. Oh, this is nice.
You better! No, he's not.
This is the only thing that's in here. This is a tree, right? This is impossible. It's a tree. You know what? The tree deserves something. Is this it? Can't go higher. The tree deserves.
I know, it was pushing me against my stomach.
The tree actually really needs more attention. Because look how much. Look how he climbed up here. Look at the tree.
Okay, come on, let's go.
The effort for it to climb up here. Oh,
Look at this.
it's a tree.
Hold it. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's 100% tree. Do like.
The last time we were here, we're still babies.
No, we're not. Was this tree here?
Look at this tree.
Yo, I can't keep walking further. No, I can't keep walking further.
Oh. Look, it's built between 1730 to 1914.
That's a long time.
I know. Ay, grabe, ang laki-laking jade plant.
It's a house.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng bahay. Ang ganda, imagine, oh. Come. May basement.
Former condition, making it a place where I can entertain my friends. I have recently experienced what I would formerly have diagnosed as an attack of insanity.
Look, it's these little telephone
It's
things.
just a small farm about 10 miles from Wilmington. As I have always considered the purchase of real estate a sign of mental derangement, and if so proclaimed, I fear that my friends may be looking for provisions that are dire into my condition. However, I believe the purchase worth the risk. My farm is a very pretty place. I expect to have a great deal of enjoyment in this sort of former condition.
I come to see this. His dad. Josh, did you read it? The door. Oh. Just asking him.
I know, that just keeps an argument going. Let's stop.
Fireplace.
Where do you want to go?
We're here.
This place is amazing.
It has a speaker screen. All three.
Actually, this is maybe from 1926. Now this is 1904. Here, instructor.
Ay, ganda. Grabe, babe. Kanami, babe, imagine, no? When you wake up in the morning, tapos ganito yung makikita mo. A room with view. Ang daming fireplace, ah. Babe, grabe. Ay, hindi. Ano siguro to, lulutuan. Ay, ang ganda ng sahig. Grabe, ang ganda. Looks like a maze, right?
It's like the cooking thingy.
Yeah. Oh, they dry the towels here. Maybe this is the kitchen.
I know what I'm doing in the room. Matthew, those are gone. Big head. We did it.
How about this side? Ay, mansion. This is a mansion. It's a mansion.
There.
Mansion, babe, no? 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 Look at their luggages. Look. Look at that.
What's in there? I think.
Come on. Nga. Oh. Mansion siya. Baka office yan, no? Pero ang ganda ng mga bahay. Yan ang gusto kong design. Parang siya ano ka talaga. You know. Ang ganda. Grabe, ang laki-laki niya actually. Parang maze sa loob, no, babe, no? Parang maze sa loob. Inside there is like a maze. That house. Actually, it's not a house, it's a mansion. So baka private property. Ha? It's a private. Mga mayayaman. Here, the Meadow Garden.
I need
Come on,
more
come on.
people.
Imagine, make it.
Oh, what happened? Bro, you had plenty of time to look at it.
Doon silang dalawa. You can sit here. Look. May tao dun, oh. Naglalakad. Ay. Oo nga.
Look at all these W blocks that
Look,
I found
there,
on the way.
there are people walking over there. Look at this. Look. Look at this shot. Matthew, come here. Look. Right?
Hindi ka suwat na daw.
Ang ini.
Ang dupot na company.
So, wong ini ani silang owner?
Si yung owner sila ng
Gobyerno.
o ito kabalo eh. Yung namo, binili millions. Grabe sila.
Oo eh. Mansyon ng balay.
Matthew, I want to show you something. I want pictures. I found something. I found something. I found this photo.
Hindi lang ano.
Wala na. There's nothing here. Lookout loft. Treehouse. Forest walk. Ayan. Nak, teka. Come on. Parang sa ano, sa mga movies. Nakala mo walang tao. Daddy. Smile. Hanggang dun pa, babe. Oh, may naglalakad, no? May mga tao dun.
Balaya. Ito.
Ha? Where? Pierce de Pont House. Ah, meron pa? Forest Walk. This is the Forest Walk.
Ilang chemicals na destroy sa environment. At the same time, yung mga chemicals na mga cause cancer lang.
Hmm. No pets allowed na di siguro, babe. No? Kaya wala akong may nakitang dog na ano. Ng tao. Dito pala kami. May farmhouse. Saan ba kami galing kanina? Pollinator Overlook. May farmhouse and galleries. Ato pa dun. Sa opposite side. Kaya ari tao, di ba? Ang lamig ng hangin. Grabe yung hangin, friends. Ang lamig-lamig. Ang ganda nitong garden na to. Pakita ko sa inyo mga friends. Oo, wait. Siguro pag nag-summer, may mga water fountain. Ay. Siyempre, wala pang tubig kasi winter pa. So nice, right? Ay, look oh. Nak, look. Don't take it off. Look. Maybe there's another fountain here. Fountain Paradise. Bongga naman. Gazebo pa. Ay, pwede pala dito. Wow, may climbing rose na naman. Climber rose. Pasok na dito. Wala ba? Rose Garden to. Ay, kaganda ng ano niya, babe, oh. Ito, oh. Yung planter niya. Meron ako nito sa bahay, pero pa ganun, pa-twirl sa backyard. Ah, sarado na. Hindi pa yata pwedeng pumasok dito. Nakasarado. Oh. Puros ano, climbing roses. Ganda-ganda nito pag ano. Balik tayo dito. We'll be back here if the roses are already have flowers. It's gonna be very beautiful. Grabe yung hangin. Close pa. Come on. On. Grabe yung hangin, oh. Ang lamig-lamig. Lamig sa kamay. Ang ganda lang. Relax lang. Grabe yung hangin. So dito kami kanina nung pumasok. Ayan, tapos doon na palabas na 'yon. So doon na side pala nakalagay dito Italian Water Garden and Lakes District. So ang laki-laki kasi nito, hindi mo siya matatapos sa isang araw eh. Meron pa doon sa kabila, pero mas maganda to pag ano, mas maganda to pag ano na, pag spring talaga, yung maraming bulaklak talaga. So sa ngayon wala pa masyado, patubo pa lang sila. So yeah, saka malaking place na to eh. Saka ano na din, late na, pauwi na yung mga tao, siguro mga 4 PM na. 4 PM na ngayon. So next time, siguro pag ano, pag ano na, pag spring, yung may mga tulips, tsaka ang ganda pag ano, pag yung may mga roses na, yung climbing roses, siguro mga ano yun, mga basta i-timing mo na lang pag ano, pag tumumo na yung mga climbing roses, dito din. So balik tayo dito. Friends, thank you again for watching. See you to the next one. Take care everyone and God bless. See you again sa pagsama sa akin dito sa Longwood Gardens sa Pennsylvania. Take care everyone. Bye!